My name is Lucas Swanson. I'm the Global Life Science Applications Engineer for Suez. When it comes to cleaning validation, the most important aspect to a successful cleaning validation program is an effective cleaning process. The only way that you're actually able to know whether your cleaning process is effective is by monitoring it with an analytical method. When it comes to analytical method selection, there are really two trains of thought. I can measure a specific compound with a specific method, or I can measure all of my potential products, degradants, and contaminants with what we would call a non-specific method. One of the non-specific options for measuring the success or the effectiveness of a cleaning validation process is total organic carbon, or TOC. And when it comes to TOC technology, one of the things that makes that method extremely reliable is the ability that it's quantitative. And the only way you can actually maintain the quantitative nature of TOC is if you have an interference-free measurement. When it comes to cleaning validation, we know we have other potential contaminants besides carbon because we put them in there for our process. So using technology like membrane conductometric technology allows us to have an interference-free measurement and get reliable measurements to release that equipment back into production. Whether it's in the lab with traditional testing, whether you shift it to the production floor with at-line testing, or whether you go to the ultimate efficiency with online deployments, we have solutions, services, and support for all of your cleaning validation needs.